Good morning, students. Successful people embrace change. Unsuccessful people fear it. Students, always be a successful person. Children, in last class I posted a video. Have you enjoyed it? Yes. Have you started to help your mother? Did you understand your response? What is your responsibility? Yes. Let's get started. Today in this English class, I am going to take the chapter number 3 in your textbook, Washing Clothes with My Mom. Students, let's start with warm-up exercise. Circle 7 more household tasks in the word string. Word string means they didn't differentiate it as words. They have given some letters. You have to find out the household task means work or chores, whatever you can say. The first one they have given is cooking. So find out other 7 more household tasks and send it to me. Shall we move to the class? Yes. Students, first of all, I would like to ask you a question. Being at home during this lockdown period, how do you help your parents? Are you helping? Really? Yes. I honestly believe you. You are helping your parents. Yes. Shall we move to the lesson? In this lesson, we learn how the boy helps his mother waking up in the early morning and doing the laundry. Let's see. Students, those who have textbook, you take your textbook, open it, take page number 22. Take a pencil to underline the hard words. I was raised in a family of 14 people in a home with only one bathroom. Can you imagine it? How many members are there in your family? Maybe 4 or 5. See, look at the writer's family. How many members? 14 members. He was born and brought up in a family with the members 14. How many bathrooms are there? Only one. Needless to say, scheduling bath time in my home was more than a simple task. So, taking bath is a very uh, hard task for the writer. When I was 7 years old, I learned the only way to get sufficient bath time was to wake up before my siblings. Underline siblings. What do you mean by siblings? Your brother or sisters. So, when he was 7 years old, he learned to wake up in the early morning. Why did he do like this? Before wake uping all the other family members, he wants to wake up first and he wants to have his bath first. Did you underline? Sibling, yes. My mother gave me an old wind-up clock so I could wake up early. Wind-up clock means nothing like most table clock. So she gave the writer a wind-up clock. So he keeps alarm and he wakes up in the morning. When will you wake up? Maybe 6 or 7. See, let's see when the writer wakes up. The first morning I used the alarm. I woke up at 5:30, walked downstairs as quietly as possible and had a bath. So he woke up at 5:30 and walked slowly. Why did he walk very quietly? Because he wants others should not wake up. He wants to take the bath at first. As he didn't want anyone should get up at that time, he walked very slowly. While I bathed, I heard Dad stirring in the bedroom, which was adjacent to the bathroom. Underline adjacent means near to or next to. So he heard a buzzing sound in the basement. I was going back upstairs when I heard a buzzing in the basement. So he heard father was doing something in the adjacent room, and he heard buzzing sound in the basement also. What was it? He thought. Finally, he found out it was the sound of the washing machine. He went quietly and looked around the corner. I tiptoed, underline tiptoed to the basement landing. Tiptoe means walking on the toes. Do you know which is your toes? How many fingers are there in your hand? 5. Same way, we have 5 toes in your legs. So he walked on the toes and looked around the corner of the stairs. Mom was bent over our dryer, pulling clothes out and setting them on the table. So in the video I showed you how to pull clothes out of the washing machine and how to hang it on the clotheslines and how to fold it, all these things. Do you remember? Yes. So the mother is bending down to pull out the clothes. Without turning around, she was singing. Without turning around, she said. She was singing without turning around because as it is early morning, nobody's there, very calm, quiet. It's a nice, pleasant time to do the work. If you have any exam or something, you too can try this. Wake up early in the morning while others were sleeping. It will be very pleasant time to learn, or whatever you want to do, you can do. If you wake up early in the morning, that day will be a very pleasant day. I promise you, it will be a very pleasant day for you. So you try this. She was singing without turning around. She said, "What are you doing?" I heard buzzing. I said, "What are you doing?" The writer asked. "Washing clothes," she replied. "This early?" The writer is asking, "Why are you waking up this much early?" 4 days a week, she replied. She said, 4 days in a week, I used to wake up like this. Students, now we have completed the first page. I think you have understood. I will read for you once again. I raised a family of 14 people in a home with only one bathroom. Needless to say, scheduling bath time in my home was more than a simple task. When I was 7 years old, I learned the only way to get sufficient bath time was to wake up before my siblings. My mother gave me an old wind up clock so I could wake up early. The first morning I used the alarm. I woke up at 5:30, walked downstairs as quietly as possible and had a bath. While I bathed, I heard Dad stirring in the bedroom. He was doing some work. He was doing some paperwork, of maybe official, which was adjacent to the bathroom. After I completed my bath, I was going back upstairs and heard a buzzing in the basement. I tiptoed to the basement landing and looked around the corner of the stairs. Mom was bent over our dryer. Do you have washing machine at your home? Okay, ask your mother which is dryer. It makes our clothes wet. Pulling clothes out and setting them on a table. She was singing. Without turning around, she said, "What are you doing?" I heard buzzing. I said, "What are you doing?" Mother is asking. The writer is asking, "Washing clothes," she replied. "This early?" "4 days a week," she replied. So, students, this much we have completed today. I think it's enough. Read this page and send to me as a voice message. Definitely, you will be rewarded. Let's meet you in the next class. Students, don't forget your responsibilities.